In this video, we're going to take a look at how to install and get started with Vectorworks 2021. Once you have completed your order with us, we will send your license key, as well as links to download the software for both Mac and Windows via email. If you have a Service Select contract, you can access your license keys, download links, and more from within your Service Select portal. Within the Service Select portal, you can download the software here, check your license details and the renewal date of your Service Select contract. There's also license information at a glance here. You can also access the Vectorworks University and additional content libraries. Once you have downloaded Vectorworks, run the installer. This will be a .exe file for Windows or a .dmg file for Mac. We're going to be installing to the Windows operating system here, but the principles for a Mac are the same. First, you'll be asked to enter your name, company name, and serial number. Make sure you read and accept the agreement. You can either install Vectorworks to the default path, or you can choose a different drive to install it to. And with that done, Vectorworks is now installed on your computer. From time to time, you may be prompted to update your libraries. You can either click Download and Update to do this now, or click Cancel to do it later. As a very quick overview of Vectorworks, here we have the basic tools, and down here are the tool palettes. The tool palettes will change depending on the version of Vectorworks you have. Some versions of Vectorworks do allow you to change the view, and you can do this by going to Tools, Workspaces, and choosing the workspace you wish to use. So for example, if we pick Spotlight here, you'll see the AEC tool that was here is now changed to Spotlight, and you've got your specific tool sets here. Up here is where you can see your classes. Here is where you can see your layers, and you can change views here as well. If you want some more information about a specific tool, or perhaps how to do something, you can go to Help and Vectorworks Help. If for any reason you need to remove your Vectorworks serial, you can do so by going to Tools, Options, Vectorworks Preferences, then go to the Session tab and click Serial Numbers. Here you can add and remove licenses. You can set the options for your pages by going to File, Page Setup. And for more general settings, go to File and Document Settings. Here you can set the units and set georeferencing. And also, if you click Document Preferences, you'll find a variety of options here as well. To get the most out of your Vectorworks software, be sure to visit university.vectorworks.net. Here you'll find courses specifically designed for each of the Vectorworks product versions, and they will take you through right from the basics all the way through to more advanced concepts. If you'd like to place an order or get a quote, send us an email on contact@cadsoftwaredirect.com or give us a call on 01206 804 984.